Now in this dissection we will see the contents of axilla. As you know, the contents of axilla are the axillary vessels and the brachial plexus, the infraclavicular part of the brachial plexus, which contains cords and their branches. So first of all we will see the artery, axillary artery. So this is the axillary artery. This axillary artery is the continuation of subclavian artery, which starts here at the medial border of the first rib. This axillary, and it extends up to the tendon of teres major. Below it, it continues in the arm as a brachial artery. So this is brachial artery in the arm, and this is the axillary artery in the axilla. Now in its course, this artery is crossed by this pectoralis minor muscle, which divides the artery in three parts. Above the muscle, here this is first part of the artery. Second part of the artery is behind the muscle. This is second part. And below pectoralis minor, this is the third part of the artery, which is the largest or the longest part of the artery. Now we'll see the branches of the artery. So some branches I will show on this side and some on that side. So the branches from the first part is superior thoracic artery, which is very slender branch. You will get this branch here at the highest part of the artery. It is not seen in this body. The second branch of the artery is this. These are the branches of second part of the artery. So this is the thoracoacromion trunk, which divides immediately into four branches. You can see this is the small clavicular branch, and these are the other branches. So it gives a clavicular branch, acromial branch, deltoid branch, and a pectoral branch. So in this way, this thoracoacromion trunk divides into four branches. Immediately it has a short stem. Lateral thoracic artery I will show on that side. The branches from the third part we will see here. So this is a small, you can see, this is anterior circumflex humeral artery, and at the same level behind you will see this is the posterior circumflex humeral artery. So both these branches, anterior and posterior, they arise at same level, and then they go towards lateral side to encircle the surgical neck of the humerus. The largest branch of the axillary artery arising from the third part is this one. You can see its tortuous course. This is the subscapular artery. Its origin from the artery is here. This one. This is subscapular artery. It goes straight down along the lower border of this subscapularis muscle in the posterior wall, and in its course it gives a branch. You can see this branch. This is circumflex scapular artery, which winds around the lateral border of scapula and goes in the infraspinous fossa behind. The continuation of artery now, it is very small. You can see this is big, large lumen. This is circumflex scapular artery. After giving this artery, the artery is reduced in size, and then it goes straight downward to supply this large muscle, that is latissimus dorsi muscle. So this is subscapular artery. Other branches, we will see that on that side. So here we have cut this pectoralis minor muscle to see the second and the first part properly. So here this is the artery, axillary artery. So branches from second part, you can see this is the higher one. This is thoracoacromion trunk. This is its pectoral branch going towards pectoral region. This is the clavicular branch going towards, this is the clavicular branch going towards sternoclavicular joint. On this side, this is the acromial branch. And then this is the next branch from the second part, that is the lateral thoracic artery. which runs along the lower border of pectoralis minor muscle. The other branches we have seen on that side. Now this is the second content of axilla, that is the axillary vein, which is on medial side of the axillary artery. It has a reverse course as that of artery. It comes from the arm and then it forms axillary vein at the tendon of teres major, and it goes towards the rib to become, and it gets continue as subclavian vein. So the vein throughout its course, it is on medial side of the artery.